Jet Tech Dudes, Jet Tech Dudes, Jet Tech Dudes, Jet Tech Dudes.
Hey, what's up? We're the Jet Tech Dudes.
Hey, bro.
What's up? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? We're the Jet Tech Dudes, and we're doing our first video on iPhones.
Excuse me.
Oh, you can hear me? So, what do you think about the new iPhone, huh? We're with Apple. The new. Oh, you like it? What do you like? What are your favorite features? No, I said, what do you like about the features? The other guy is Billy the Puppet. Billy the Puppet. He's, if you could hurry this up, like, oh, the shiny thing? Oh, this is that bear trap mask, and if you don't answer my questions, it's gonna blow up on me. So, I'd appreciate it if you, hurry up and answer these questions.
He only has 60 seconds.
I only have 60 seconds.
If you look on the back of the mask, you'll notice that.
Oh, so you're counting it down? That's weird, because we said 60 seconds and you're at 14. So it seems to me you don't know how to do your math.
No, I like this guy. I like this guy. He has the right idea.
Nice job, bud.
Boo.
Well, you spelled boom wrong. And, you still haven't answered any questions. We're with Apple.
Really?
So, alright. I don't know what the 3 slash marks means what.
Oh, that's your favorite Saw, right?
That's your favorite Saw movie, 3?
Saw 3 was your favorite?
So, Saw 3 was your favorite? You guess. Alright. Well, thanks for talking, and have a nice day. Hey, what's up? Yeah, that's right, you guessed right. Oh, hey. That's freaking hot, but alright. That's pretty hot what you're doing, but, relax. Me and Jigsaw are getting horny, alright? So, okay, can you stop licking yourself? Thanks. Alright, well, we're with, YouTube, and, we're doing this thing. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. And we're with Stop Laughing. Alright, and we got big penises, and we're the Jet Tech Dudes. And, pretty much, we're just doing our thing, so what's up? What is so damn funny? I don't know what's so fucking hilarious. Stop laughing. She's not taking this fucking serious. Okay, okay, sweet. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? You look hot. We're doing this thing. Okay. Hey, what's up? Yes, all 3 of you are hot. Sweet. So, we're the Jet Tech Dudes, and, we're doing this thing called,
You guys are, like, matching with your shirts?
You're matching with your shirts.
No, you and her.
Oh, are we? Oh, yeah, we are. So, hey, what's up? She's not responding.
Should we give her CPR, or?
I don't know if she'll make it. I don't know what's so damn funny. Like, she just keeps laughing. And it's upsetting me. Yeah, maybe play with your hair. Okay, okay, time to get this girl aroused. Okay, can you click on? Okay, can you hear me? Okay, I can't hear you now, so that's weird. I just get all random. Alright, well, thanks.
You've been a great interviewee. Not? God.
Hey, what's up, man? We're with Saw. Don't freak out. Don't freak
It's
out.
okay,
Don't
it's
freak
okay,
out. You're
it's
good.
okay.
You're good. You're good. You're
It's
good.
okay.
Okay, so we're with Saw. I mean, we're the Jet Tech dudes. And, okay, stop shaking.
The 60 seconds doesn't start yet.
Okay, you got 60 seconds to answer our questions. Go!
There's no question.
Why haven't you started yet? Alright, you got 60 seconds to tell us your top 5 iPhone applications. Go! Nope, you're gonna die. You got 30. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Wow, this guy... I didn't even hear what you said. No, you can't pick the same application, sir. That's not how you play the game.
That's not even an application, sir.
Sir, you can't... Do you see Billy the Puppet Jigsaw, okay? You don't mess with us. Yeah, you show him, Billy the Puppet. So, so, yeah. Alright, well, we're the Jet Tech dudes. Look us up on YouTube, and have a nice day. Okay, seriously, Billy the Puppet. Look up Jet Tech dudes. Look that up. Jet Tech dudes on YouTube. Jet Tech dudes.
Open up your eyes.
Hey, what's up? We're, okay.
I knew that kid. I'm not even kidding. I knew that kid. His name is Dalton.
Hey, Dalton. I mean... I know. Hey, what's up? We're, oh my god, don't whip out your penis.
Ooh, this is getting hot.
Don't whip out your penis.
Woo!
Don't whip out your penis. Okay, sweet. No, don't start typing. So, hey, we're with the,
Still hot. What up, girl?
No, don't. Okay. Well,
What is Jaja?
Yeah, what's Jaja?
Jaja, oh la la, Roma, Roma, ma, Jaja, Jaja, good muscle, low, low. He's like,
hey, what's up? We're with Jigsaw. I mean, wait. The Jet Tech dudes. And, we're the Jet Tech dudes. And, we're doing this thing on our website. Oh, hey. We're doing this thing about our new website coming out on YouTube, so we're gonna ask you some questions. Are you a technology kind of guy or what? Yes, sir. All right. What do you like about the new iPhone? Go. 60 seconds.
I'm sorry?
What do you like about the new iPhone 4? Go. 60 seconds.
It's not this one, it's faster than it, and the screen.
Nice. All right. Well.